Hey guys, it's your girl Show Love coming to you with just a real brief video. This video is about this Wilton flour Bundt pan. I just made me a pound cake and I want to see if it, hold on, let me just compare it to the other one. Okay, I'm back. I just want to share a little bit with you. I love baking and I use my favorite baking pan to use is by either Martha Stewart, which she has one that's shaped like a heart. I have that one, and I made beautiful cakes with that one. The other one is gotta be Wilton. Wilton, it never fails that my cakes fall right out of it, okay? Now this Nordic pan, which costs about $28 at Walmart, I made a pound cake and it's stuck around just a little bit around the perimeter inside, and I didn't like that because I like my cakes to fall right out. I'm sure you understand, you do as well. But this particular one, the Nordic, I had to buy me another pan, okay? So I ended up buying the Wilton one, the new one with the flower on it. Now, the flower design. So I bought that one. That one seems to it looks good. It's the same width and deepness as this one. So I want to see if it falls out the same. So let's give it a try. So that's what I came to share with you today, is just see how it works. Unfortunately, my camera is not low enough and I don't have a shelf up here where you could see, so I'm going to shake it because that's what I normally do. I've already waited 10 minutes. This is a lemon pound cake. It's really beautiful. I mean, that is a beautiful, beautiful cake. And the flower, there's a flower design at the bottom. So I got my little dolly there. I'm just going to flip it up. Oh, I like the fact that they have the two handles on the side so you can easily flip it. Wow, look at that. Not a crumb left. Now, that's the first time I tried it. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is, guys. That is a beautiful cake. And it's a lemon pound, so there, I don't want my cake to fall off, but there you can see the design. And I'm really glad I made a lemon one. It came out golden. So I made some lemon glaze and I just warmed it up because, you know, you can save your lemon glaze. Okay, it doesn't need to be hot. I don't even know if I want to put anything on this cake. I should probably just leave it like it is. It's so pretty. I think I'm going to leave it like it is rather than putting a glaze on it. Because my customer requested a pound cake and she didn't care which one it was. So I made her a lemon pound cake. But what's a lemon pound cake without the lemon glaze? Wow, I'm really impressed with this. So I had to share. I'm going to show this to you one more time. How beautiful this cake came out. So thank you, Wilton. You are definitely a reliable, trustworthy company. Again, that is the Wilton pan. I just wanted to share with you the demonstration of seeing if it works. This is my first time using it. I'm going to bake another cake in here today, and it'll be the same one. Actually, it'll be another lemon pound cake, but I wanted to see if it do the same as the one that does not have the handles. This one is a little bit lighter, but it's the same quality pan. So I just thanks to all of my new subscribers. And thank you for watching this quick video. Have a great day. Oh, remember, be careful with one another, and have a blessed day. Bye.